Welcome to today's lecture on learning time management with the help of ChatGPT. In this session, we'll explore how you can leverage the capabilities of ChatGPT to enhance your time management skills. Time management is a crucial skill for success in both academic and professional settings. By mastering it, you can improve your productivity, reduce stress, and achieve a better work-life balance. Understanding time management. Time management involves planning and controlling how much time to spend on specific activities. So, time management enables you to work smarter, not harder. So you get more done in less time, even when time is tight and pressures are high. Key components of time management: setting goals. Clear, realistic goals guide your focus and help you stay on track. Prioritization. Distinguishing between urgent and important tasks is crucial. Planning. Allocating time to tasks and scheduling them effectively. Delegation. Understanding what tasks you can pass on to others. Monitoring. Regularly reviewing your progress and making adjustments. ChatGPT can assist in various aspects of time management. Let's explore some practical examples. Prompt for goal setting. Help me set academic goals for this semester. I am a computer science major. ChatGPT can help you outline realistic and achievable goals based on your major. It can suggest goals like mastering a specific programming language, completing all assignments a week before the deadline, or contributing to an open source project. Prompt for prioritization. I have multiple assignments due. Can you help me prioritize them? ChatGPT can assist in creating a priority list based on deadlines, the complexity of tasks, and the estimated time required for each assignment. This helps in focusing on what's most important and urgent. Prompt for planning. Create a study plan for my finals. ChatGPT can draft a study schedule for you, allocating time slots for each subject based on the exam dates and your current preparation level. It can also include breaks and revision time in the schedule. For delegation, I am overwhelmed with tasks. Which of these can I delegate? After you list your tasks, ChatGPT can help identify which tasks can be delegated. It can also suggest how to communicate delegation effectively to your team members. Prompt for monitoring. How do I track my progress on tasks? ChatGPT can suggest tools and methods for tracking your progress, such as using project management software or maintaining a simple progress journal. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool in your time management arsenal by assisting with goal setting, prioritization, planning, delegation, and monitoring. It can help streamline your workflow and increase productivity. Remember, effective time management is about making the best use of your time, and with ChatGPT, you are well equipped to do just that.